Assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. I'm also fine today. So guys, what are you doing now at this time? I think you are doing something well and you are practicing well. How your speaking English journey, I don't know about that. So I think it's very well. So how do you practice every single day in your house? Do you practice English every single day in your house? I think I don't know about that. But if you want to learn English, if you are interested to learn English, you have to practice every single day. Without practice English every single day, you can't speak English fluently. That's very important for you. And you are learning something from the book, different kind of book. You are learning English. You are trying to learn English, different kind of book. You are following different kind of video, different kind of lecture, different kind of practice class. But you don't practice, I think it will not work for you. It will not work for you. But if you practice English in your brother, with your sister, it will be very, very effective for you. Make a partner. It can be your brother, it can be your sister, it can be your father, it can be your grandmother, it can be your granddaughter, anything. Sorry, you don't have granddaughter. Sorry, you don't have, I think, a granddaughter. I tried to say grandmother, right? Okay, don't worry about that. Just in this video, I will say about that. When I started to learn English, how I did, what I did at that time. I did many things when I started to learn English. I practiced a lot. I shout a lot and practice with myself, and I practiced with another person. I made a partner, my friend Arif. I made a partner and I practiced a lot with my friend Arif that time. So in such a way, like this, you can make a partner for you and you can practice with another partner, and that will work for you. Very, it will be work for you. And beside that, you can call in messenger with your friends, and you can talk another person in English. And when you chat with another person, when you try to chat with another person and talk with another person, that time you write Banglish. It's not Bengali. You write Banglish and Bengali, and sometimes you write Banglish, but you don't write English. But you can write English, but you don't write. So this is a bad habit for you. If you drop this bad habit from your life, and if you try to write English when you text with another person, it will be a very, very good sign for you, right? And you can speak English, and your English level will be very high if you do that in such a way. And beside that, you can use another application. I will say you this application. The application name is Open Talk. When I started to learn English, that time I used this application and I talked with another person. When you will go this site, when you will use this application, you will get many kind of people. It can be Bangladeshi people, it can be foreigners people, it can be Pakistani, you can say Indian. Any person have this application, so you can use this application. It will be very work for you if you wanna learn English, right? Learning English journey is so hard but so easy. But you have to find out a different kind of state how to learn English easily, and try to practice with it yourself every single day. And another things I will suggest you, that is try to make a video. Come in front of the camera and try to make a video. Try to record yourself every single day. If you try to record yourself every single day, your creativity will grow up, and different kind of creativity will grow up, and you can talk with another person easily, and you can talk in front of the people easily if you do that in such a way. So I think the weather of this area is very bad. It can be rain at this time, so it's cloudy. I think The sky is very cloudy at this time. It can be rain today. So right now I have to drop this video, and before dropping this video I will say about you, please, I'm making this video very working hard, and if you like this video and if you think this is very helpful for you, so don't forget to hit the like button and to share with your friends and to subscribe. If you subscribe, it will be very helpful for me, and I will be very inspired, and I will make this kind of video more and more. And hit the bell icon. And before dropping this video I will request you more, that is, try to pray every single day 5 times, because you are a Muslim. As a Muslim you have to pray every single day 5 times, and if you pray every single day 5 times you will get a Jannah. You know it, and every single Muslim know it, but I told you about that. Try to pray every single day 5 times, and help your father and mother. It will be very go to work for you, and you will get a Jannah. If you do that, you will get a Jannah. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you with the new video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.